Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale and I make videos on makeup, motherhood and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay you guys, this is my first Shein haul. I have never bought anything from Shein besides some accessories that I'm wearing today, but I just wanted to try it just to see, and I needed some really cute, like super cheap tops, like cheap in cost, not material, that I could use to film my videos. So that's what made me buy them. Obviously I could use them for other things, but that was primarily what I wanted them for. Okay, so I think I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have 7 tops or 7 pieces in this haul. Most of them are tops, and we are going to start off with the first one that I am wearing right now. So this is a nice like a mesh top. It does come with some long sleeves, and I am a tall girl. I am 5'9", and they reach all the way up to my wrist, so I really love that. And it definitely gives like chic bougie style. I love the abstract and I love the different colors on here as well. It is a nice light breathable material. As you can see, it's mesh, so you will see like your undergarments under it, whether it's like a bra or yeah, whatever. If you decide to go braless, people know, okay? It has like this cut out right here. It is a crop top, and you know, it has this crop top with like black hems all around, and the black hem is also around the wrist as well. It is breathable, and you have like some abstract squares in different tones of brown on here with the black as well. I love the way the black contrasted the brown colors, so that's why I gravitated towards this. Also, even if it's a long sleeve, it is a mesh material, so it's very breathable. It's good for the summertime because you wouldn't feel hot in this even if it is a long sleeve piece. So I really like the material of this. It feels nice and soft. It doesn't feel scratchy at all. It just has like a nice feel to it, so I really like that about it. And I would say like overall I am impressed and pleased with my first purchase, with my first shirt. So tell me if you guys, I want you guys to rate from 1 to 10 which one of these are your favorite. So rate from 1 to 7. If I have 7, rate from 1 to 7 which piece is your favorite, with number 1 being your favorite. So yeah. So next we have, oh okay, I didn't realize, was this mesh? I didn't realize this was mesh. Is this the shirt I ordered? Okay. So this is another long sleeve piece right here. It is mesh material as well, as you can see. So it is see-through, but the bust isn't, and it's like a sweetheart neckline. It is also a crop top, as you can see. And this, I thought this was like actual bone right here, but there's nothing in it. It's like just a stitching, and this is in the size large. All of the pieces that I got are in the size large, and it kind of like has a V piece that goes down on here. I am tall, like I said, so I'm not sure where this is going to hit me at. I think I'll show you guys how it looks with, you know, on me. But yeah, this is a cute top. Hopefully it reaches all the way to my wrist. Yeah, and it is in white, but I'm not sure, did I dirty this, because it has like a little spot on it right here, but it might just be from my makeup just now. But it's perfect for vacation. It will definitely keep you looking stylish. I don't think you're going to feel hot in this as well, because it is the same material. Just know it is mesh, so they won't see your bra in the front, but they will definitely see it in the back. So if that bothers you, you might have to wear like a bandeau or something underneath. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And as I said, this is not an actual like bone. It's supposed to mimic a corset, so that's what it does. So here you guys can see it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. All right, now we have a red piece, because who doesn't like red in summertime? Like, it's such a vibrant, lively color, and I feel like summer is just about like fun, so it definitely is a fun color. So yes, I bought this body suit. So this is from Shein Bae. Oh, I like the tag on here. So this is from Shein Bae. It says Shein Bae, always turning heads, and it's pretty much like a one piece. So it is like a bodysuit, and it just has like a hole cropped out on the side of it. There is a knot in it right here. I have to figure out how to put this on, but I feel like they give you enough material so it doesn't like hurt whenever you pin it up in the crotch area. But this is what it looks like. It has a little stretch to it. I feel like it is double lined, or this is a very thick material. It is not see-through at all, so I am happy about that. And it has a keyhole on one side, and it is one shoulder, so it's a beautiful color red. I feel like it's an orangey red color, but as I said, perfect for the summertime, and it does feel smooth again on the skin, so I don't think I'll get irritated. You know, some materials when you buy them, especially the mesh ones, they just like scratch and get so irritated, but no, this has a nice little stretch. I like this material, so yeah. I don't know if I like this. No mom, no ham, no turkey. Did I buy this? Is this the one I bought? I don't know. Maybe I was trying something new. Okay, so this is, I will insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like, because right now I think I'm very confused. But I think it's supposed to like crisscross somewhere. Okay, so yes, this is the front. So it's supposed to drip in the front, crisscross in the back. It is like a satiny material, and it is a bodysuit, so it is it does have clamps, 3 clamps in the crotch area. I like the color green. I forgot that I bought this, honestly. I'm not usually a green girl, but I feel like it does look good. Green does look good on my complexion though. But I guess this satin maybe it might look cheaper to me than I would like. I don't know. I wasn't blown away when I saw this. Like, it just looks like a piece of cloth. I don't know. But when I try it on, I'll tell you guys what I feel about it, and probably just do a little voiceover to let you guys know. But this is just my initial reaction seeing the items. Okay, so next up we have, oh, I see. Next up we have this one shoulder long sleeve abstract piece. So it is one shoulder. It has a keyhole in the front, and it's really white and brown. It's almost like a zebra print all over here. The material is a little bit, it has a little stretch to it. As you can see, it is a crop top as well. I don't know how I feel about this one, but I think it will look really nice once I put it on. We'll have to see, but it is kind of like a thinner material, so I don't feel like you'll feel hot in this either. But it is something that I would take with me if I was on a vacation, just because of like the pattern and stuff like that. I'm not sure how I feel about the material, but I would say it doesn't feel as good quality as the red one that I saw that was very thick. This one feels a little bit more, I don't know, fake is the word that comes to mind, but I don't know, it just feels a little bit more plasticky or something of that nature. But it's not bad. Like, obviously I'm going to wear it, but yeah, I just wanted you guys to know. Okay, so I have been seeing this print everywhere and I absolutely love it. It's like faces, but it's like an abstract black and white. And I thought it was cool, so I decided to get it in a bodysuit, and it's like a mock neck bodysuit. It's a nice stretchy material. It does have 3 clamps also in the crotch. There are 3 clamps in the crotch. It's a nice black and white type of raved looking material, and it feels nice. It feels nice and it feels strong. It does. I don't feel like it's something that will get ripped easily. I'm very excited to wear this piece. Super cute. Okay, lastly we have, I think this might be the only thing that I got that wasn't a top. So yes, this is like a 2-piece dress. It comes with this cut out piece, so it's like a tube top. It's somewhat similar to the same kind of material that I'm wearing right now. It is mesh. It might be see-through. Yeah, I feel like it definitely might be see-through, so you might want to wear something under this. I would say you can definitely wear this on the beach on vacation. It is a little bit see-through. Based on what I can see here, it is a mesh material. It has like a black lining on the inside. I really love the colors though. I really think the colors pop. It's like a lime green with brown, and it doesn't have any slits at the bottom, but it shouldn't be difficult to walk in. It also has a nice stretch to it, nice soft material. I like the fact that they put a little bit of black in there as well, and it is double lined with mesh, but they can still see, like, even if it's double lined with like mesh on black mesh on the inside, I really think that, you know, somebody will be able to see. So please keep that in mind if you do wear this, or if you just feel risky and that's how you live your life, then you know you're really gonna like this piece. But yeah, this was the only dress that I got, and I really just wanted some tops, like I said, to create my videos, but I will definitely be wearing this out and about. So that's all of the items in this video, my first Shein haul. I really like the quality and the price, obviously, of the items. The only downside is it did take me 2 weeks to receive this item, so if it's something that you need right away, I would suggest ordering in advance, or if it's last minute and you didn't know that you would need an item, you probably will want to not order from Shein. But if you need something good enough quality for the price, I would say Shein is the website for you. So if you guys have purchased anything from Shein, let me know in the comments below, and I would really like to see how much you guys rate these tops today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.